Alright folks, so I'll show you what I got going on here. Got one of these reverse osmosis water filtration systems, and this thing was installed with the house. It's old, and filters are pretty clogged up on it. So the filters are going to run me like 80 bucks. And who knows what the accumulator tank and everything else looks like. So I figured, why not just replace everything. I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, so I got everything brand new off of Amazon. And it's a, genuine Whirlpool system. Same one that's in there. New pre-filter, post-filter, and the membrane. All the tubing there. New accumulator tank. Here's the cover for the top. Here's all the new plumbing. The new faucet. All the fittings. So I'm just going to install a brand new one. Anyways, the deal was my wife did not like this taking up so much room under here. I shoved it to the back corner, but still. She wanted this room for cleaning supplies and stuff like most people would like under the kitchen, and the garbage disposal and everything already takes up a lot of area down here. So I'll go ahead and leave the filters there. I'll replace those, run all the new lines. But I went ahead and cut a hole here. Of course, I checked first to make sure there was nothing in there. And it's just a open little cubby hole. You can kind of see how the edge of the cabinet is here. So I'm going to go ahead and place that in there to get it out of the way. And whether she wants a door covering that or not, that's up to her. I have this piece of wood here to cover it if she would like it. I'll ask her though and find out. And also this piece here in the middle, right there, took that out. Just was in there with 4 pocket screws. So that gives me a lot more access. So I'm going to go ahead and get that new one installed there. Stand by. Alrighty, so I got all the old stuff out of there. As you can see. Here it is up here in the sink. I'm going to go ahead and get that removed out of there. And we'll start putting the new stuff in. Alright, so we got the old fixture off here. And I went ahead and took a razor blade and scraped around there to remove any crap that was under there. And then scoured it and wiped it clean. Alrighty, so I'm all done. There's the new filters there. While I was under there, I went ahead and moved my the battery box there for my sink. You wave your hand over it and it turns on and off. So I moved that. They did have it in the back of the cabinet. And then there's a hole I cut out there. Just cut a neat square access. That was totally empty in there, as you guys saw. 4 screws to hold it on, so now I have access for it, and the accumulator tank's in there. And it's all done and it's working. Okay, here it is top side right here. So it does say to let it build up pressure for a few hours and then go ahead and purge it for 24 hours straight. I don't know about that, but we'll see what's going on. Anyways, that's how to clean up under your sink. Gave me a lot more room down there. The wife will be happy. Thanks for watching. And I guess if anyone's interested, let me try to find you a model number here. There we go. Model WHER25. And see, there's a real quick breakdown of how to install it. I just simply moved the tank where you can't see it because you don't need to see it. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.